Hi guys, FX Shaper speaking. I'm back with another video, guys. So, guys, today we're going to be analyzing volatility 75 1S, right? So, looking at it, guys, we're having a very nice structure. So, we're going to kill this one, guys. We're going to kill this one. It's just a matter of patience. So, as you all know, that when we analyze in the market, starting from a bigger time frame, which is a 24-hour, which is a daily time frame. So basically, we can see that we're actually downtrending in this market, right? We can see from this, level right here going all the way down. You know what I mean? So what's going to happen is that due to the supply and demand that we have, um, this is what's going to be happening, right? So what's going to happen right now is that we're going to be identifying the supply and demand, which is very strong, right? So basically, if you can check, guys, we having this level right here. This is last year, 25th, around the 22nd March, to 10 April, something like that. This is like a full year. This is what happened like in a space of a year, because now we are on about like 10 March today or something like that. Yeah, we are actually, in the same month as last year, right? So basically the price is actually trying to create another um double bottom right here, so that the price can actually go all the way up, because now the price, guys, is very strong, guys. So what's going to be happening is that you're going to identify this level right here. This is a very strong level that we have currently in the market. So we're just going to identify that area right there. And as you can see, guys, the market immediately after it actually gets to this area right here, it actually reacted to the market. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So what's going to be happening is that we're going to also identify the patterns that we also have in the market. So basically, if you can check, guys, we had this nice impulse movement to the downside, right? And we also having, this nice bearish flag pattern that we have right here. You understand what I'm saying? We did the analysis for this cell that we actually had right here, but then we missed the entry somewhere around here. You understand what I mean? And the market was already, and I'm one person who's actually like um very addicted to actually sniper entries. You know why? Because they're actually risk free. You know what I'm saying, guys? So if you can check, guys, the same move right here is actually the same move that actually went all the way down. If you can check, you understand what I'm saying? This is how you can actually trade patterns. If ever you want to be a pattern trader, this is what you can actually do as a pattern trader. You understand what I'm saying? So we have this big impulse to the downside that completes this pattern that we have right here. So what happens right now is that because the pattern is complete, we need to actually go back all the way up, to this level right here, to do what? To retest. You understand what I'm saying, guys? You have to know how to trade these patterns. After every completion of every pattern, we always have that retest. So this is a level where we're going to be looking out for, from this area right here. So basically we're going to be going all the way down to retest up, around this small channel that we have right here. We're going to actually figure it out, once we actually go to smaller time frames. But right now, since we're on a daily time frame, we can't really see it thoroughly. So at this level, guys, this is where we actually, going right here. We're actually looking for long-term buys right here. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So basically we actually gonna be looking out for buying opportunities only. You understand what I mean? So what happens is that we're gonna draw a trend line. Here's we had this trend line that actually shows that it was a break of and a retest. It was actually a breakout and a retest on this level right here, because if you can check, this looks like a shoulder, head, and a shoulder. Basically, it's more like a triple top if you can check. Why am I saying that? Because these higher highs are actually more or less like even, so it can be around here, somewhere 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 around here. The head has to be at least above, or outside this level right here. So because they kind of even, this is more or less like a triple top right here, right? So let me just delete that so I can make, but you are now able to see exactly what we are seeing in the market, guys. So basically right now what we need to do is to test around. So if ever you also not sure how to actually get these levels right here, or how to get like the retest levels, you can use your Fibonacci tool. You drag it from this top right here going all the way down, you know to the lowest point, and you can see our retest level is on about 0.5, which is 50%. And most of the time, guys, we actually target to retest on about 61.8, which is this level of 0.618 right here. You understand what I mean, guys? Especially on volatility 75.1s, it most of the time it gets to this level right here. Then from there, that's when we can actually start looking for for selling opportunities right there, right? But we're still on a bigger time frame. Let's go to a smaller time frame so we can actually identify the structure that is happening right now currently, because we also need trading opportunities. We can't really say that, okay, long term buying, get any chance to be trading this rehab, right? So we can see the market currently that immediately when it gets to this area right here, it kind of created a nice double bottom formation right here. If you can check, this is a very nice W formation right here. But what happened was that has actually entered this level right here, level right here, because they were also looking at that left hand side right there. They actually went all the way up. They pushed the market to actually break this previous um previous lows right here, because the market was going all the way down right here. So these were like lower highs of the market by that time, because the market was on a downtrend, right? So we actually broke these levels right here, and right now we actually need to come back again to retest this level right here. And that's when now we can now start looking forward, looking for those buying opportunities that I was actually telling you about. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So excuse me. So what's gonna happen is that I'm just gonna draw this nice trend line going to the downside right here. So you can actually see also by just using this trend line, we actually broke out of this trend line right here. So we need a retest, right? So what happens right now, guys, is that we're just gonna draw levels just so we can be able to understand exactly what's happening in the market, right? So this is the first level that we actually broke, right? So we're going to take this level very serious, because you can see the market is kind of reacting to this level, right? And then also this area right here, this is where the market actually turned. So what happens is that we're going to actually wait for the market, guys, to actually come back to this level right here. Before the market actually shoot all the way down or go all the way up, it has to create some kind of a W or a an M formation. So it has to go back all the way up to create a M formation, and that's when we can now start looking for those retests. You understand? But you can make a lot of money, because you can see that the big this is a very big move right here. So this level right here is going to be our neckline, and we're going to go all the way down to actually break this level right here. You understand what I mean? So it will actually be advisable to actually enter your trick of this at the break of this level right here. You understand what I mean? So as long as we can get that nice double top formation that we actually expect right here, and then we can expect the market to come to this level right here, go back to retest, and then go back all the way, down to this level right here. So we're going to actually look for this level right here, and I will explain why. And let me just show you right here. So we're going to look out for excuse me, just this level right here, guys. We're going to be looking out for this level right here. You understand what I mean? Why am I saying that? Because this level is a very strong level. Why? Because you can see previously that the market actually respected this level, and it kind of created a nice um double top formation. After the market reacted, what happened? It gave us a very big impulse move to the downside. So we can now consider this level as a very strong level right here. You understand what I mean? So from here, after we have this formation of a nice double top formation right here, we can now expect the market to come and retest to this area right here, then continue to fall to the downside. And now right here, right here. Uh, Going to be this level right here, guys. I don't know, my laptop is very slow today. I don't know what's happening with it, right? So this level right here, this level right here, this is the neckline level of this formation, right? Shoulder, right? This shoulder, right? This shoulder, right? This is a left shoulder. 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 It's more or less like an inverse head and shoulders, basically. You understand? So basically, what we have is that we have a left shoulder right here. This is the head that we have right here, and then what's going to be happening right here is the right shoulder, for us to actually continue to go to the to the upside. You understand what I mean? So from here, this is where we're going to be expecting the market to do what? To go all the way up. You understand what I mean, guys? So remember, the market has been going all the way down like crazy, as you can see, guys, as you can see. But remember, this market, guys, it respects structure, guys. It respects structure. We know and understand that this sell that we had right here, it was that bearish flag that we had right there. You understand what I mean? That's why, guys, you have to understand the flags. You have to understand how head and shoulders works. You have to understand how double tops and double bottom works. All these patterns, guys. Out for them. Understand how work. You get what I mean, guys? So this is what you're going to be looking out for currently, guys. You can see we are still at this support area right here, and we can just dive in deep to a smaller time frame just so we can be able to see exactly what's happening on a smaller time frame. And if right now we're actually creating a nice W formation, we can actually take advantage of this scalp trading right here. You understand what I mean? Because now the market has to go all the way up to this area right here to create that nice double top formation that we need. You understand what I mean? And if you can check, guys, the market creating nice triple tops right here. Let me just show you guys right here. You can see there's a shoulder here, and then there's a head right here, and then this is the right shoulder right here. So basically, because the market, you can see we just had a small retest right there, we can also say that this is also a what? It's a retest back to this level right here. Something, let me show you something. If you can use your trend line right here, studying it from this area right here going all the way up, you can see that this is actually a retest that we can actually expect. You understand what I mean, guys? So it's all about understanding the market structure, guys. It's all about understanding the market structure. Once you can understand the market structure, guys, everything's going to be a bit simple. So let's see what happens around this level right here, and we can see that there's something like a shoulder head, and creating, it's kind of creating right here. So let's see when the market gets to this area right here, if it's going to break or it's going to respect this level right here. But once it actually respects this level, we understand actually a very nice double top formation that has, or that is actually going to be forming right here. Then we're going to be looking for those cells, to actually retest to that breakout that we had, right here. You understand what I mean? Before the market can continue to go all those nice, have this nice, retest right here. You understand what I'm saying, guys? So make sure that you press that subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Press that subscribe button, and then make sure that you like and then share